Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate HubSpot connected apps with security checks, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Integrations. Now, you will see a list of all connected apps in your HubSpot account. Identify the app you wish to authenticate. Click on the name of the app to access its details. Review the permissions and settings associated with this app. If you need to make adjustments, click the Edit button. After making any necessary changes, proceed to re-authenticate the app. To begin the re-authentication process, look for an Authenticate button. Click on the Authenticate button to initiate the security checks. A new window will pop up prompting you to enter your credentials for the connected service. Input your credentials and follow any additional verification steps required. Once you have successfully logged in, HubSpot will request permission to access your data. Review the permissions requested carefully. If everything looks good, click on the Allow or Authorize button. At this point, HubSpot will establish a secure connection with the app. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that the authentication was successful. You will now see the app listed as connected in your HubSpot account. If you encounter any issues during this process, check the app's documentation for troubleshooting steps. It's also a good idea to periodically review connected apps for security. Ensure that all integrations align with your current business needs. This will help maintain a secure and efficient environment within HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.